Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let us discuss about location-based online shopping. Here is the abstract of our project. Online shopping is a very important feature that's used in e-commerce as well as nowadays the ERP plays a major important role in developing these applications with the number of products available in the own internet, which is which makes the people just easy to make purchases through their online and convenient. It should make the user friendly as well as the convenient for the customers to use the online shopping for their purchases. There are in large number of websites are taking this through the online best customer relationship is mentioned just through their online shopping. While performing online shopping, the shopping cart plays an important shopping cart is a virtual store on the internet. The customer can browse on the catalogs and select the products of the internet. The customer can select their items and the items are with the respective prices can be identified just for the number of products as we selected just based on their prices can be calculated, and at last in the all the details are stored in the server database which is to generate the bill at the time of delivery. And the shopping cart will be a present as an order. At the time the more information need to be complete the transactions. Usually the customer will be asked to fill or select a billing shipping addresses to deliver the product at the right time with the correct details. With the payment information is also carried out through their online, so such as using credit card numbers, the email notification sent to the customer as the order is placed. This is the efficient for performing the online purchasing on online shopping can be is an efficient way of performing the shopping which is already appreciated by the people. Here is the data flow diagram for our project and for online shopping. Initially in the home page of the shopping will be taken, just then from that the user or admin authentication can be performed with the login. Unauthorized user cannot access their website just because while the product delivery there is a collision between the specific user details. So the user details will be submitted and registered just and get their unique ID just to the login authentication purposes for their product transformation just too. Once the user is authenticated, you can have the user can have the rights to select their products and add to the shopping cart. The shopping cart is nothing but the number of products as we selected just for the building or purchasing in through the online test. And finally confirm the product is the number of products as we selected, or we can revoke the selected product is and select the payment modes through the online at the time of delivery and then complete the payments as well as logged out can be performed. Once authentication can be identified as admin it have the rights to insert the product, update the product and delete the products and look for the orders. Once the admin is authenticated, he has the rights to update their product details with a specific information if you want to add a new product means he only have the rights to add the product, and confirmation is made under stock. All the stock details can be managed by the admin. Finally he can be as usual logout purpose can be performed just for this purposes. Here is the running procedure of our project. Initially we should load these are the home page of our project. Yes, there are two models, one for purchasing, another for product inquiry. The purchasing product is just there is we are going to submit the purchase user details to submit their to get purchase their details. This is used for the product delivery, and in while the product inquiry there is no need to submit the details just because just we are going to see whether the product is available in the respective areas or not. Before that you want to start the server to get the client records to perform some of the operations regarding with their for product selection. Product inquiry. In product inquiry there are specific different areas with their specific area ID, and while purchasing in this test the user can enter their own details, the specific attributes and the details can be stored in the location. This will be specified as per he mentioned. Based on this we can enter Yes, we can pass the request. The request can be passed to the respective servers. Once you open a server and they receive the server, the request can be received with the specific area, and the specific area parts will be restored for their specific users. The availability will be checked, and its respective availability can be sent to the specific users. So once your product availability is, you can see the number of products. You can select the products, the number of items can be selected, and total prices will be calculated, and then the request the field can be sent to the servers. And that process can be selected just for viewing where the server can be responses. In the server side, just the request can be received. Just view the purchase details of the overall purchase details. The two items can be selected just for the respective calculation can be calculated, and generate bill in the product. The bill can be generated for the specific users and send it to the users requests based on this. And the user can view their bills. Based on the bills, you can purchase your details on the time of door deliveries. The bill ID will be generated. The bill ID is used for the authentication verification purposes. The bill ID is a unique one, which is used to identify the unique bills with the specific products purchased at the time at the right times in the online shopping. At last, in server sites, we can perform the product updation also. We can give their own product ID and product names, quantity, prices, and specific area and area ID should be mentioned. We can add details or remove details based on the product details. At last, we conclude this, instead of going online shopping with the online shopping regarding with the location is much different, and which is especially useful for the local area purchasing. We can go for the instead of go for specific areas, specific stores to analyze the products. We can analyze through the websites with the specific locations as nearby location as the residential. So this is the efficient ways to identify the purchasing products nearly with the residential from the residential itself. Thank you.